Hi there, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be working on fixing our posture and make it better for us. All you need is a yoga mat, a pillow or a cushion, and yourself, and of course, a will to practice with me. Through this drill, we will be working on flexibility, mobility, and strengthening our muscles, especially the core muscle. First, take a pillow and rest your both the hands and get into a forward fold. Breathe here, and once you feel confident, remove the pillow and do it without a pillow. Try to get into a deeper forward fold while keeping spine neutral, and take a couple of minutes to center yourself with aligned breathing. Lower, gradual belly engagement while you inhale and exhale. Slower exhalations. Inhale and exhale. And take a moment and tell yourself that I will be more present through this practice. First and foremost, get into your force. Shoulder and palms in a line, hips and knees in a line. Inhale, look up, and exhale, look towards your navel while rounding your spine. Inhale, look up, and exhale, do the same. Inhale one more time and exhale completely. Inhale and exhale. And from here, use a pillow to adjust in between your hips and your calf muscle and rest over it while stretching your feet, your back of the leg, and make yourself comfortable and try to sit over the pillow while keeping hands over your head. Be very mindful when you go down. You can practice this up to 5 to 10 rounds as per your ease and comfort. Keep breathing and rest over here. Now we will try to practice Vajrasana with the help of this pillow, where you rest your feet, ankle over it and try to sit above it. And be very gentle when you sit over it and breathe. Hands over your knees. 3 to 5 rounds of longer breaths. And now you can remove the pillow and gradually lift your knees up, hips on the air, and try to paddle your both knees in downward facing dog. Look at that both big toes or in between the palm and breathe. And gently drop your knees and get into a child pose. Stretch your arms and get into figure 4 again, and lift your knees into a bear hold. This will really help you in having a strong foundation in your core, and it is a great engagement for the whole body. And you can rest whenever you want. Hold up to 5 breaths. Try to be static while continuing to breathe. One last time. Breathe and rest. Now stretch your right hand and left foot and do the opposite after doing the bear hold. Now left hand and right leg on the air. Hold. Change your sides. Back to bear hold. Change your side. And back to center. This time with inhale, try to lift your left foot on the air and gently lift up the heel in the air, and gradually we will be grabbing the toe in the tiger pose using the right hand. Try to stretch and twist your body towards the right side. Back to center, knee goes down. This time with inhale, lift the right leg in the air. Toes pointed out, flexed and very active leg. And now grab using your left palm to your right toe. Twist towards the left side. With exhale, come back. Now back to child's pose. Breathe over here. And now with inhale, sit up straight. And this time, stand tall and use a pillow to stand straight and do a chair pose, or you can say a supported squat. Hands above the head, and with exhale, hands goes down. Inhale, back to air, and with exhale, hand goes down. Continue breathing throughout the practice. Exhale down. And now gently remove the pillow. Spread your feet hip width apart or little larger than that. Hold elbows using opposite palms or the side of the upper arm. And try to ragdoll while keeping the spine straight and having a gentle, mild bend in the knees, and stand up tall. Now use pillow again for a better alignment and lift above your head and try to hold it in a goddess's pose or a wide squat. Keep knees very relaxed, pointing outwards, and try to squat as wide, as deep as you can. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. With every inhalation, try to go a little deeper. Inhale, exhale. Inhale 5 to 10 rounds. Exhale. Inhale, go deep, hold it, exhale. Remove the pillow, find a wall or any support and try to stand up as straight as possible. Focus on the standing stance. No rounding back, no rounding shoulder, no lifting pelvic up or down, just stand tall. Try to shake the palm, relax your body, unlock your shoulders, put down your hands, look at the eye level, focus with your breath, usual general inhalation and exhalations. And once you feel aligned, get back to the mat, and this time lie down on your back. Use a pillow in between your inner thighs, hands towards the heel, or you can hold the heel or little away from the heel, and inhale, lift up your hips in the bridge pose. Exhale down. Inhale, lift up again. And exhale, gently come down. Inhale, no stress on neck. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, hold it there. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Do it up to 10 times. And now remove the pillow and try to do it without the pillow. Inhale, lift your hips again. Hold it. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. And exhale. Gently drop your hips down to the floor. Extend both your leg. And this time take your left foot next to the right knee. Stretch in 90-degree. Back to the floor and stretch it back to 90-degree. Try to keep the lower back grounded, hands on the floor, right foot pointed and engaged. While doing this, you create a great tension in your spine, a great twist, at the same time engagement of hips and hamstrings. Do it up to 10 times from the left leg. And extend your leg. Now this time, take your right leg up in the air towards the left knee, back to 90-degree in the air, back to the knee, on the side, on the air, and do it up to 10 times. Remember to stretch with the ease, no jerks while extending the legs on either movement. Continue to breathe throughout the practice. And this time lift both legs up in the air. Give a gentle support and try to hug your knees. Release your leg. Connect with your breath again. Lift your knees and hug your knees. Back to neutral position. One more time. Hug your knees. Release the leg and breathe. You can continue this practice up to 5 to 10 times as well. Hold it there. Hold it there. No extra stress on the lower back. Release. Focus on exhalations. Now extend your right leg in the air in 90-degree and then stretch it parallel to the yoga mat. Feel free to support your lower back if that's hurting you. That's a modification. Try to keep the leg parallel as much as you can while having a good control over the core and of course the leg. Do it up to 5 to 10 times. And now change your sides. Left leg parallel to the floor and other leg stays folded and active. Continue to breathe. You can support back of your neck or back of your lower back, and now extend both your legs apart from the or away from the yoga mat. Extend both your hands away from the body, palms facing up gradually. Once you have understanding of your breath, where you inhale from nose to chest and to belly, and then exhale from belly to chest and eventually out from the nose. Have a good connect with your breath. Focus on deeper exhalations. You choose to keep your hands on top of your belly or chest or away from the body on the floor while keeping the palms open, facing towards the ceiling. Use this time to reflect on your practice, that how it went, and whatever the things you learned today which you're going to implement tomorrow. Use this time for active relaxation, where you are aware about your body but resting completely. And once you feel nice and relaxed, stretch your body in a one line position. Use either hand to support yourself and turn towards right or left side. And once you turn it, use palm to sit up straight. Try to feel the relaxation or the centeredness which you created through this practice. Be in that moment. Breathe there, feel it, and rub your palms, gather the energy, and of course, look between your palms and then gently open your eyes. I hope you had a great practice with me and you enjoyed this practice. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit that like button and consider to subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing and keep showing up to your mat. Until next time, bye bye, and I'll definitely see you in the next video.